So this was the worst unboxing video because I failed. I didn't even record it. That's pretty sad. But yeah, I have a box here. And inside the box, I have a pink blade, mad cool. But bubble wrap. It's actually from a company called Corsair. And I am a nerd, and I got the K70 LUX RGB mechanical keyboard. I just fell in love with mechanical keyboards because my manager let me use it at work, and it's just wow. I did not know they would make such a difference in actually like me typing. So I'm just like, it feels so good. It's so clicky. So let's go ahead and the shininess. Less of a glare because I can't believe I failed by not recording me cutting the box open. I like cutting boxes open, which is weird. Like whenever she gets a package, I always open it. It's a box inside another box. There we go. So let's see what you get. So right off the bat, obviously we got the keyboard. It's hard to do an unboxing one here, but here's a keyboard. Don't want to mess that up. Get some keycaps. Oh wow! And then that's the removal for the keycaps. Of course, some who reads. You know, that's a warranty. I think actually I should probably read that. But give me 1 second. Let's see what else is there. Ooh, the wrist rest, which is awesome. Awesome. And then 2 USB pass-throughs because 2 USB ports because one has a USB pass-through. That is pretty bad. Scrolly. Dedicated media tools. And look at that Corsair logo. It's just so nice. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead, plug this in, install the software, and then just give you an update and feedback on this. But I can already tell I'm gonna love this. Should I take my hoodie off?
Sure.
Ready? Where do I go? Like this?
So I start where? Oh, I start on the back, don't I? And then work my way around.
Alrighty. Oh.
Hold on.
I don't know if people split their legs. They don't.
I'm sorry.
No, to get my knee. I was just like, damn. It's okay.
I almost got there. Damn.
It was good. It was really good. I mean, I chickened out because my knee was hurting. I was just
I
like,
was like, he keeps moving.
let me go ahead and turn off the lights. Excuse the setup. I just basically, yeah. I use my TV as a monitor right now. But, alright, let's go ahead. Let me type in my password. I should probably not record that. Looks like I just gotta download the software and then, that should be good to go. But for right now, I guess it's just a basic red LED lighting. I don't know what that is for. What's this? Windows lock key? Let's see. Yep. For gaming, I guess. Volume. Works like a charm. Yeah. We'll go ahead and, it's a mute button. I'm gonna go ahead and try this out and then I'll let you guys know in a minute. Well, finally have this working because it was only lit up red until I downloaded the software. And to be honest, I've already started typing in it and it's just so nice. Like I'm just like, wow. Like I'm still trying to figure out the software and And like, you'll see for yourself. I just got an update with that guy, so it's just like, I need to figure it out because the sound isn't working, but it's just, I remember that happening before. It was because there was an update to the MSI card, and let me restart this and then I'm gonna go ahead and continue with this guy. Okay, so now it's the time. Wow, I am so bad at this. Now is the time to actually test the sound of the typing. To be honest, with mechanical keyboards, to test out the difference between choosing brown switches, blue switches, or red switches, I have tried red, I have tried blue, because brown, because I have it at work. I am planning to buy blues from Amazon because they're only like 27 bucks, and just to try them out. But you do feel the tactile like feedback that you get from the mechanical keyboard from like the reds compared to the browns. Like the reds literally just linear. I didn't know, like you need to try it out yourself. Like go to a store, be like, can I test out this keyboard? And I know that I personally have gone through multiple like forums and posts and just asked like, oh, you know, what's the difference between browns and reds? Is there really a difference? There is a difference. Like at first I was tapping, I was like, oh, this doesn't feel like any different. And then I tried the strafe at my local store, some computer store. Tried the strafe, started typing, just not connected, just typing, and I'm just like, wow, now I feel the difference, and it's very, very, very different. Anyways, this will be the typing test. I'm actually gonna look for an online site for just some random typing stuff like paragraphs and all that to give you a sound test. And honestly, I like browns. Like I haven't tried blues yet, so all I know is that they're very, very, very loud, and the clicking might be annoying for some people. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and try this out and you guys watch. God damn it, I suck at typing. I am very bad at typing, as you can tell. I've been getting better, not gonna lie, it's be really bad. Let me try this really fast. Wow, that was slow. Mistake. The cool thing about this website is it actually tells you which fingers to like use to press it. So this one is telling me this finger, and now it's telling me this finger, this finger, this finger. If you need a link in the description for this website, just comment down below and I'll tell you about it. But overall, I'm pretty satisfied with this keyboard. Like, wow, this was so worth the money and worth the extra money for the brown switches. I'm trying to talk and type at the same time so that you can get a feel of how loud the switches are compared to my voice. About the same distance. But yeah, so the main thing about this is that, like, obviously you're paying a lot for the premium, which is the RGB, which is Lux, luxurious. The USB pass-through, actually pretty convenient. I'm charging my phone, using it as you can tell. The RGB can actually, through the software, you know, you just gotta, excuse me, you can actually change the different profiles on it. Just go into the lighting effects, like that's what it is right now. Rainbow wave, let's do color wave. That's pretty nice. And then there's just rainbow. A whole bunch of profiles, which is pretty nice. And then apparently you could download them online too, so that's pretty sweet. Create your own macros. I gotta figure that out and do that myself in a minute. I like how you can literally change the volume on this like anytime, mute it. This you could change the brightness on it, how bright you want it. I like it to be bright. And then the Windows lock key. So if you're gaming, you don't accidentally hit the Windows button and then get out of it. You're like, ah. But honestly, that was probably the worst review you've seen about the K70 LUX. But my opinions, honestly, worth the extra money. Corsair does a very, very nice job of just providing very, you know, quality things. May it be like their CPU coolers or the keyboards, which are pretty nice. I'm not gonna lie. So worth the money. Anyways, I'm babbling. Like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram. So this was a weird, because I usually do fitness stuff, so people are probably gonna be like, what is this? Like, why are you doing a review on a keyboard and you make no sense? You have no, I can't put my words together, especially for this. Like, I have an engineering degree and it's pretty funny because I'm just like, but it doesn't really take an engineer to know this stuff, and I'm just like derping. Anyways, peace guys. Sorry for the ramble. Now my girlfriend's actually gonna start typing. Oh, she's a lot better than I am. Okay.
Oops.
The pressure's on when you start recording.
Yeah.
So like I said, I actually like this website because it actually has the fingers on which, it recommends which finger to use for which key. I'll probably put that in the description. That was way better than me. I got like 35.
You got what?
35 words per minute. Pretty bad.